Have you ever wondered about the transformational moments that can reshape a life, a community, or even the course of history? In the heart of the Bible, nestled within the book of Acts, chapters 9 to 12 are rich with such powerful narratives. Chapter 9 begins with Saul's dramatic conversion. On his way to Damascus, breathing threats against the disciples, a light from heaven blinds him. He hears Jesus' voice asking, "Saul, Saul, why do you persecute me?" This pivotal moment, especially seen in Acts 9:4, marks Saul's transition to Paul, a tremendous advocate for the Christian faith after he regains sight. Next, we journey to Peter's tale in chapter 10. In a vision, Peter learns that God shows no favoritism, a key theme reflected in Acts 10:34-35. He meets Cornelius, a Roman centurion. Here, barriers of ethnicity and tradition crumble as they embrace God's love without boundaries. This meeting heralds the expansion of the gospel to the Gentiles. In chapter 11, the focus shifts as disciples in Antioch live out this inclusive vision. They're the first to be called Christians, highlighting the growing, diverse community of believers. Acts 11:26 emphasizes this transformative identity, proving the message isn't just for a specific group, but for humanity. Finally, chapter 12 presents a gripping escape story. Peter, imprisoned by King Herod, is miraculously freed by an angel. In Acts 12, verse 7, we see a light in his cell, breaking chains of oppression, reinforcing the power of faith and divine intervention. It's a testament to unwavering hope amidst trials. Each chapter offers its unique blend of drama, revelation, and connection. Acts 9 to 12 isn't just about miraculous events. It's a profound reminder of change, unity, and the relentless spread of a message that knows no bounds. Join us as we unpack these incredible stories, each one a beacon of hope and transformation, resonating through the ages and into our lives today.